Guys, I'm back for another video. And here today I'm doing a video for a fresh dear friend of mine. He's gonna be anonymous, so I will call him anonymous throughout this video. Now, anonymous wants to know how to actually like run EXEs or executables on Mac. Since Mac doesn't support this natively, I will need a couple of programs to support you. He wants to run, coincidentally, the same game I have here called Generals Zero Hour. Generals Zero Hour is a sharpshooter game. It's a strategy game, basically, and I won't go through a lot on that. Anyways, first I will show you three easy ways. Three ways, not easy ways. An easy way, a medium way, a moderate way, and a hard way. The first way is called using crossover games. Crossover games is an application that runs games for you or Windows games on Mac. It also works for Linux. If you don't have crossover games, you can just go to my other video, Crossover Loophole, and you'll find a download link there in the description. So open crossover games. This window will pop up. You don't need this. You need this. You'll go to Configure tab on the top, and you'll click Manage Bottles. When you click Manage Bottles, this window should pop up. When this window pops up, you should click plus. This will be empty here. You should click plus and add a new bottle. Name it whatever you want. I'll just call it Tests. And choose whatever software you want it to run on. It's basically this is just a simulation. Yeah. So I advise using Windows XP for games, and for others Windows 2000. I've made this, so yeah. Okay, when you've done this and you've made a bottle, you should put open, and you should go to the file. I already directed it before. And you should select the exe, which is the same as here, file, exe, and it's supporting documents. When you select it here, you will have the list of bottles, which I have is generals, and you click open. Here you will see bumping, small like jumping thing here. That'll indicate it's gonna run. Now it may lag a bit because I'm recording, so don't worry about that. I won't do that when you're actually playing alone. Just wait for it to load to show you that it actually works. Okay, began running. It will do this white screen for a while. Don't worry about it. And there it is, EA Games, challenge everything. And we'll give you the intro screen and the intro songs and all that. And like that, and it will load. Just wait for it. Okay, now it has loaded. I just wait for the intro screen, the intro screen to pop up. There it is. It's time and everything. Solo play, multiplayer, load, credits, and options, and exit game. This is just proof that that the game works. That's the first and easy way. Okay. Now let's show you the moderate way. For the moderate way, you need a program called Wine Bottler or Wineskin. Both will work. Wineskin is more advanced, so I recommend Wine Bottler. Just open the program, and you can install predefined prefixes, which all work for sure, and you can create custom prefixes. Now before the video, I've tried this on general 0 hour. It doesn't work because a general 0 hour requires the game to be run in the same directory, because this is like a shortcut. Now we'll skip this. We'll skip this. Okay. And we'll go to the hardware. The hardware, you'll have to also download the file. This file is not a program, it's just a file that I have made. It's called Cider. I've zipped it here to save some memory on my Mac. When you unzip it, you'll drag it out to the desktop or wherever you want to put it, and name it to whatever you want. Let's call it test. When you call it test, this is the same. I've done this before the video. This is the same one. This is what I resulted with. Now let's just compare. Test here. Drop back to contents here. Okay. Put this inside. Snap on the side. Wait, no, that's not. Snap on the side. And let's slap this on the side. Right. Okay. And let's compare. Okay, when I go to contents here and contents here, resources, trans gaming, C drive, program files, common files. Sorry. Program files, and here resources, trans gaming, C drive, program files. As you can see, you'll find here the file general 0 hour, which is here. There's this file. I've put this file so I can run like as a directory from Windows. So as you can see in Windows, when you go to the hard drive and everything, and you go to find the programs that are running or that run from the shortcuts, you'll find this this file. It's actually filed with a icon, a custom icon I made. So if you open it, you'll see all the files which are the same right here. Okay, just to do it's easy to do this. You go back and you just copy the files. You copy the files here. You copy them, and you go back to the program files and you paste them there. Well, when you paste them there, you should go back to the info plist, and you should download the playlist editor to do this. And I'll be back when the code finished, like the countdown finishes. Countdown has finished. I'll just put continue, and I'll go back here and open the exact same one. I'll snap these two. Wait, again, just do it. Yep, here and here. Wait. Yep, there they are. Now, as you can see, this is the Cider one, the one that's empty. You can see that it says C directory to Oblivion and C directory to Oblivion exe. While here it says C directory to program files generals 0 hour copy, which is the directory I pasted on program files after C drive. Here I also pasted the same thing, but I directed it to the actual exe for it to run. Just change these to whatever exe file you have and directory you have, and you should be fine. And I should type here with spaces and with capitalizations and all that, and you'll be all done. Here, the general 0 hour, I've just changed the icon. When I put command I, I'll get the info, and I put command I here. I'll get info. I just click it. You see it's highlighted. I press command copy, and I just paste it here. Command paste, and I'll be there, and the icon will appear here. Now this is the Cider copy I told you about. See, it's Cider version 5.3, all that, and I just double click it. But I won't double click it because it will work, yes, but the fonts won't show. I recommend the most way I recommend it for you, the most stable way I recommend for you to use is crossover games. But if you want to make a permanent app, you should use Cider. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. I hope Anonymous, you found this video very, very useful, and as always, thanks for watching.